welcome to our channel, AlampanaTV. Today I'm cooking something very special. I'll give you one clue. The place of origin is Australia. I think you heard wrong. Australia, not Australia. But in 30-40% of French bakeries, it is bacon. Do you know what it is, Dion?
I think it's pain chocolate.
Pain. I'll tell you what it is now. It's croissants! Did you guys know that croissants are part of a continental breakfast in many European countries? Croissants are mainly made out of dough and butter. We're not gonna make the dough now, so I've asked Jeannie to show me an easy method. Jeannie! Wow, it's only 4 steps. Oh wait, 5. Let us open it. Jeannie, can you get us a tray? I'm gonna roll it to the dart. Look, there's the dart, as you can see. Roll it a little bit more. Yep. You see the line there? You have to cut it to separate these 2 croissants from the main pastry. And then you cut this one so we can separate these 2 croissants. In this dough, you can get 6 croissants. This is very easy because it tells you where to cut it. I'm using a pizza cutter to cut it. You can use anything else, like a knife. I'm gonna cut it now. First, I'm gonna cut this so we can separate it. Now I'm cutting this. Separate these 2 croissants. I'm going through this line. Now I'm gonna go through this way. The name croissant came from this crescent shape of it. Now it's parted into 2 croissants. Just for fun, we're adding milk chocolates into the croissants to see what happens. Come on, Dion, let's put them in the middle. Oh, are you nearly done? You don't have to go down. You can just chuck them all in. Come on. I folded all the 6 pieces. They're all set. Now I'm gonna coat it with milk. You could coat it with egg, but I'm coating it with milk. Not too much. We're doing this so it gets a goldish brown color. I'm gonna put this into the preheated oven for at least 10-15 minutes for its goldish brownish color and awesome taste. No, that's it. It's ready! The 6 croissants are ready. The outer layer looks so brownish and nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
This is the chocolate croissant. We'll save it to the end. Best to last. Now I'll give you one and give me one. Let's see if it tastes nice. I bet it will though. This one's for you, Dion. And this one's for me. Okay, do you want to taste it? Just look at it. All brown on the outside and nice and soft on the inside. I bet these taste really nice, don't they, Dion? It tastes so nice, isn't it? It's so flaky on the outside, soft on the inside. I didn't know homemade ones would taste nice, but it's so good. I'm gonna make this more often. This croissant is so tasty. Let's try the chocolate ones now, Dion. The chocolate in the middle. Here's a half for you, Dion. So nice. Bye! See you all in another amazing video from the Genie. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Also, don't forget to click the bell icon for more videos from the Genie.